Hello, everybody in EYFS in reception class and nursery class at Grange Primary School. It's Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. I'm so proud of all you children learning so hard and being confident, being your very best and being considerate, being kind to everybody. You're doing good listening. You're using kind words. You're using kind hands for great actions. This Friday, we're going to do something very special at Grange. Usually, that means every day, we are wearing socks that match. You know what match means. They look the same. They go together. They match. So if you're wearing a pair of socks and you're wearing black socks and you've got black sock on your right foot and you've got a black sock on your left foot and your socks match. But this Friday, we are going to wear odd socks. So maybe you'll wear a blue sock on your right foot and you'll wear a red sock on your left foot. And everybody will say, why are you doing that? Your socks don't match. They're not the same. They're different. They are odd. But we will say, well, we're trying to learn a message in our head, in our minds, and a message in our hearts. We are trying to teach ourselves that if somebody is different to us, we're still going to welcome them. We're still going to be kind to them. We're still going to respect them. Because we say at Grange, we celebrate difference. It's okay to be different. It's okay to not fit in. It's okay to be odd. It's okay to be different. Because we believe each person is important. Each person is valuable. And we are always kind. Kind to ourselves and kind to others. When they are different to us, we are still kind. We still say, welcome. Come over. Come over and play. I include you. So when we wear our odd socks, our different socks on this coming Friday, the socks that don't match, we're teaching ourselves in our head and in our heart to be kind to everybody, even if they are different to us. And I'm looking so forward to seeing your odd socks on Friday. I'll be wearing my odd socks because I believe the most important thing is to be kind. Kind to yourself and kind to others. And that's what we believe at Grange. That's what makes our school such a good school. So I'm proud of all of you for being Grange pupils. Remember, be great, be Grange.